In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Calendar app on Windows 11. This solution leverages the built-in Windows Calendar app to sync seamlessly with Google Calendar, allowing you to view and manage your events directly from your desktop with ease. To start, you're going to want to open up the Calendar app in Windows 11. If you're not sure where to find it, you can easily search for Calendar using the Start menu. And the Calendar app is integrated right into the system to allow a smooth experience without needing any additional software. Once you've opened the Calendar app, draw your attention to the left panel where you'll see an icon that looks like a settings gear. Go ahead and click on that. From there, navigate to the option labeled Manage Accounts, where you'll then want to click on Add Account. Here you'll be presented with several options for different types of accounts you can add. Choose the option for Google, which will allow your Windows Calendar to sync with your Google Calendar. This is a key step because syncing these two platforms ensures that all your Google Calendar events can be accessed right from your Windows desktop. After you select Google, you'll need to sign in using your Google account and make sure to allow the necessary permissions that pop up. Allowing permissions is crucial as it enables the app to access your calendar data and sync it in real time with the Windows Calendar app. Once that's done, you're all set. All your events from Google Calendar will now show up in the Windows Calendar app, and you can also see them directly from the taskbar by clicking on the clock. This means you can add, edit, and delete events without needing to open a web browser, providing a streamlined and efficient way to manage your schedule right from your desktop. Using this built-in method is perhaps the most straightforward and efficient way to keep track of your calendar events on your Windows device. You'll find that any changes you make in the Windows Calendar app will automatically sync with your Google Calendar and vice versa. This ensures that whether you're using your phone, a tablet, or your computer, your calendar is always up to date. With this setup, managing your schedule is not only simple, but also incredibly efficient, putting all your events just a click away. As you continue to use this feature, you'll appreciate how seamlessly it integrates into your daily workflow, making it easier to stay organized and on top of your responsibilities with minimal effort. I hope this video helps you make the most out of your calendar app on Windows 11.